In this tutorial, I will show you how to make these images for free. Open your browser. Search for bing.com. Click on Images. Click on Create. Create here you can type your prompt. Click on Create button. Click on Image Preview. Control-C copy. Control-V paste. Click on Create. If you want download this simply. Click on download here and you will get image without any watermark. If you want more videos like this, let me know in comments below. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe to the channel to watch more videos.